Hi, I am Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and I'm in my car, clearly, and there has just been a lot of dialogue today about nervous system and how we're feeling safe, how we're feeling in danger. A lot of times in health and wellness, there is a lot of danger, but we try to explain it away. Meaning we're trying to diagnose how we're feeling and pick it apart with, oh, well, if we're craving sugar, it must mean we're not eating enough carbs, which I've said before thousands of times. And there is a biological component, but we're also much more than biology. And sometimes in order to experience and feel what we're experiencing, we need to drop out of our heads. And that's really hard to do when we're trying to explain the reason of why we're feeling and justify what we're feeling by a diagnosis, by a label, which none of those are bad things, and they can be very, very helpful. But yet when we're relying on those things for, oh, that's what it is, aha, and there's this dopamine of, oh, the explaining feels so good. That's why I feel angry. That's why I feel happy. That's why I feel hungry, horny, blah, 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 blah. All of these things that keep us in our heads for the dopamine keep us out of our bodies. And in order to heal our relationship with our body and food, we're gonna really wanna get very good at feeling what is happening inside of our body, what is happening with food. Hope this helps.